take a look at this certified pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Colorado. Carfax has certified this Colorado as having one owner. This Colorado has just under 20,000 miles. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 24 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 3.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, separate tweeters, leather steering wheel, driver airbag and premium wheels. Call 866-483-5896 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.